Welcome to our exploration of Dwarka, one of India's 7 sacred pilgrimage sites. This is an ancient city steeped in mystery, history, and spirituality. Dwarka holds immense archaeological and architectural significance. It's located in Gujarat at the Saurashtra Peninsula's western tip. Dwarka is revered as the ancient kingdom of Krishna, known from the epic Mahabharata. This fortified city spanned 84 kilometers along the coast, where the Gomti River meets the Arabian Sea. According to legend, dwellers believed it submerged when Krishna departed Earth. But can we find its traces today? Dwarka's existence as a lost city is synonymous with tales of ancient civilizations. Just like Atlantis, Dwarka is said to have sunk underwater. Yet, while Atlantis remains unfound, traces of Dwarka may still lie beneath the waves. The Mahabharata recounts that Dwarka was flooded due to the arrival of the Kali age after Krishna's departure. The sea reclaimed the land, yet Lord Krishna's palace supposedly remained. Some legends even speak of flying machines called Vamanas attacking this lost city. The first excavations in Dwarka began in the 1930s on Bet Dwarka Island, about 30 kilometers from the present city. Despite ongoing efforts in the following decades, conclusive findings were scarce until the Archaeological Survey of India found pottery dating back to the 2nd millennium BC in 1979. Archaeologists uncovered a fortified foundation, indicating that city walls may have lined the river banks between 1983-1990. More than 500 artifacts have been discovered, suggesting an advanced civilization existed here long ago. One theory postulates that Dwarka was built on reclaimed land, sinking under rising sea levels around 3,500 years ago. Scientific studies show the region's fluctuating sea levels before stabilizing around 1000 CE. Various factors may have triggered these changes, including coastal erosion and geological disturbances. Underwater archaeology revealed numerous anchors, hinting at Dwarka's status as an ancient port. Historians believe it engaged in trade between Indian and Arabic regions from the 15th to 18th centuries. The Sanskrit term Dwarka translates to door or portal, possibly indicating this was a bustling trade entry point for foreign sailors. Today, archaeologists are preparing for underwater excavations to uncover the old city walls further. Many intriguing aspects of Dwarka remain uncharted territory. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi honored this rich heritage by conducting an underwater puja in the Arabian Sea. Dwarka, notable for its link to Lord Krishna, has been submerged for centuries. Scuba divers can now witness remnants of the ancient city, offering a glimpse into its mysterious past.